Okay, driver, slowly onto the bridge now.
Copy that. Proceed to the main conveyor. Bay 4 is clear.
Keep the flow steady on line 3. Looks good from here, almost clear.
Fresh sugarcane enters heavy-duty rotary cutting machines fitted with industrial stainless steel blades. Every long stalk is chopped into short, uniform pieces. Fresh sugarcane juice flows into enclosed pipelines and for food processing, while the remaining bagasse moves along a separate. Fresh bagasse enters long tunnel dryers, where carefully controlled warm air removes excess moisture. Large ribbons. The dried bagasse enters powerful industrial grinding mills, equipped with high-speed hammer blades. Every fiber into a...
Sugarcane fiber powder is transferred into massive stainless steel extraction reactors. Automated systems adds... The filtered cellulose enters enormous purification tanks equipped with slow-moving industrial mixers.
The blended cellulose is transferred into sealed dissolving reactors, where advanced into
The perfectly balanced spinning solution is transferred into insulated aging tanks for controlled maturation. Gentle circulation prevents sediment from forming.
Before reaching the spinning machines, the solution enters an advanced pressure stabilization system. The washed fibers enter specially designed neutralization baths, where their chemical balance is carefully stabilized.
The stretched fibers travel through a series of large stainless steel washing tanks, supplied with purified water.
The dried fibers pass through advanced crimping machines that create soft, uniform waves along every filament.
The stabilized fibers enter enclosed drying chambers, where filtered warm air circulates evenly around every... Approved staple fibers are automatically fed into giant hydraulic baling machines for efficient handling. Powerful compression plates form dense rectangular...
Industrial bale opening machines automatically cut the steel straps securing every compressed fiber bale. Large
rotated. The opened fibers enter advanced cleaning machines, where powerful airflow removes fine and remaining impurities.
The carded fiber web enters advanced industrial combing machines. These combs remove short fibers,
The rovings feed into enormous ring-spinning machines operating with hundreds of synchronized spindles. Every spindle
Each yarn cone passes through advanced electronic inspection systems equipped with laser measuring technology. The elongation is perfect. We can approve the batch. Excellent. The sugarcane yarn meets all durability requirements.
The color match is exact.
Confirmed. The bath is ready for the yarn. Floats. The colored yarn enters enclosed drying chambers, where temperature-controlled warm air circulates evenly. The schedule shows the silk blend next. Are the looms ready for the changeover? Yes, the robotics have already loaded the new cones. We are on track.
The completed fabric passes through advanced rolling machines that carefully wind it into organized textile rolls. Precision textile rolls
Average. The washed sugarcane fabric passes through large softening tanks containing advanced textile conditioners.
The softened fabric enters a long heat-setting machine with multiple temperature-controlled chambers. Carefully Specialized sewing stations focus on attaching sleeves, collars, and finishing sections to each garment. High-speed machines create smooth seams.
The washed garments are transferred into large drying chambers, where warm, filtered air removes moisture. Computer-controlled
This tag is incorrect. The data doesn't match the record. Divert it.
Folded garments move into automated packaging machines, where each item is placed inside recyclable protective covers.
Electric forklifts transport wrapped pallets into a modern automated warehouse with tall storage racks. Robotic storage systems
All pallets accounted for. Seal it up, ladies. Closing doors now.
The clothing containers are ready for transfer. Automated system shows green light. Confirmed. Ensure all standards are met before securing.
Welcome. This is our new sustainable collection, crafted from sugarcane fibers. Feel free to ask if you have any questions.